Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Ask Sid How To. So today we will look into a very trending matter and topic, that is about AI, the use of AI in day-to-day life. So thought of why not, let's make a video of AI usage in research, right? So you must be knowing, right, how and what all AI can be doing. You must have heard of different kind of images people are creating. So we will also try to look if the AI is actually useful in research and what all aspects it is good and what all are not so good. So we'll just have a look. So to test, we will just uh, try to use the very common AI, that is ChatGPT. All of you must have heard of this name. So we'll open ChatGPT and see what all it can do. So generally in research, people want to search for literature, right? So if I am a lazy guy and I don't want to work on it, I'll just give AI everything, right? I'll ask you do everything for me. For example, writing a paragraph with the references and everything ready, everything set. I just take it and send it for publication, right? That's what we want, of course. So let's see if the AI can actually do all that, right? So first I'll ask AI to directly provide a paragraph with the references on a topic. So what topic shall we take? Okay, but at least 3 pages, right? And 10 references. So let's see if AI can do this. So it's saying here is a comprehensive article on the environmental effects of increasing pollution, supported by original literature and credible sources. Right. So you can see it's writing impacts of pollution on the environment. Right? So even if your language is not that good, it'll automatically get what do you want to say. Okay, fine. So it has given me some references as well. Now see, it has started quoting Wikipedia also, and as a researcher, all of you must be knowing Wikipedia is not at all accepted in research, right? Especially when you are going for paper publications. Again, Wikipedia, right? This is the Guardian. So I think this is a news that is also not recommended in research when you are going for a paper publication, right? So if you are writing it just for a school homework, it is fine, but when you're going for publication, it won't be that useful to use AI. Okay, you can take its help. For example, some of the links that it has given, I'll try to open them. Is it actually the same? Environmental pollution, find environmental pollution. Now what is this VOX? Acid rain or something, right? So it will open, right? Now I asked minimum 10 references, it has more than that, but the thing is, again, it is not recommended because of the same reason, right? And moreover, when you ask it, even if I tell the AI to make more references, it might be adding same made up references from here and there, right? It is just an example. So if you want to use AI in research, better use it for uh, searching good topics or asking some answers. Literature search you should be doing on your own. Okay, taking help, for example, asking the questions or doubts, that would be better. And also, if you ask, I don't know how many of you have tried, but if you try to ask AI to make a picture for you or maybe a graphical abstract, it won't be able to make, right? I have tried all that, so I'm able to tell you. And even if it will make, it will not be that accurate and apt as you might be looking for. So that is one drawback of AI, or maybe it is yet to learn, not a drawback maybe, in terms of research. So entirely you cannot depend for that. But if you want to have a idea on what to write, how to write, okay, it can give you very good ideas, as well as in a proper grammar and all. But ultimately, if you are taking its help, make sure you don't just copy paste, otherwise it will be a plagiarism issue, right? So hope you will be using AI in a ethical way, and getting better day by day, right? So with this, I'll take your leave. See ya.